Not sure where to find Yeastar marketing resources? Or maybe you're wondering how to quickly get your hands on the exact materials you need. In this video, we will show you how to easily access and download all the marketing materials you need from the Yeastar Partner Portal. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you get the most out of our marketing resources. Let's get started. The Yeastar Partner Portal is your one-stop platform for business collaboration and marketing success. You can easily find it by searching Yeastar Partner Portal online, or simply by heading to the Partner section in the top menu on the Yeastar official website. Once you're on the portal page, just log in with your account. If you don't have an account yet, there are two easy ways to get one. You can request an account from your upper-level distributor or Yeastar account manager, or you can ask a colleague with admin access to set one up for you. For admins, creating an account for a colleague, it's simple. Just go to the left menu, click on User, then Colleagues, and hit Add Colleague. Fill in the required information, and you're all set. Once your new account is set up, you will get an activation email. Just follow the steps in the email to activate your account and log in. After logging in, go to the menu on the left and click Resources. Then select the Marketing Resources to access all the marketing materials we've uploaded. This is your central hub for all promotional content. These marketing materials are designed for promoting to both resellers and end users, making it easy to reach any audience you're targeting. You will find various types of resources, including brochures, social media images, videos, presentations, and more. More materials are available in multiple languages, mainly English, Italian, French, German, and Spanish, and you might even spot a few other surprise languages in there too. To help you find what you need fast, there are a few options. First, click on the What's New section right below the search bar. There you will see all the latest materials, sorted by update date. Second, you can use the search bar. Just type in keywords like cloud for specific topics, or add language codes like FR for different languages. Finally, you can also browse by content category. For example, if you're looking for images, select Image Library. If you need materials for case studies or white label, simply click on the category with the same name. Within each category, you can narrow things down even more by filtering for product, language, and other tags. So let's say you want Spanish social media images for the P-Series PBX system. You can easily find what you need. Once you've found the right materials, you can quickly preview or download them. And if you want to make any changes, just grab the editable version. After you've downloaded the materials, you can start using them for your marketing and promotional activities. We encourage you to explore the Partner Portal and make full use of all the resources available. There's much more to discover. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your upper-level distributor or Yeastar account manager. Thank you for watching.